Hello and welcome to this tech tip from CISA 2. I'm Frank Devereaux, and today we're going to talk about BBC Rewind's sound effects page, and I love that it requires no login. I can just look at their sound effects and download it instantly, and I can also go to the mixer mode, so I can come here and click on this, and I can maybe go down to nature and click on see all the clips there and apply that category. And maybe I want to combine some songs, so I can come here and get this, load a few more, maybe add this to the mixer, and maybe add this herring gull to the mixer, and then I can view the mix and play them both at the same time. You get that rushing water sound and like the herring gull. And then what I can do is I can either share that mix as a link, or I can record the mix. So I can click this, and then I can click this button here, and I can record however long I want. And when I'm done, I can take that 10-second clip and down the wave file instantly and then add it to my project. So there you have it, your very own sound mixer for free. I hope that helps. Let me know.